Hi, my name is Paul Holder from Infinity Learning. On the 19th and 20th of June, I'll be running a training course on behalf of the Gibraltar Federation of Small Business called Presentation Survival School. Now, a great presenter has two unique qualities: appropriate skills and personal confidence. This confidence comes from knowing what you want to say and being comfortable with your communication skills. Now, in this half-day workshop, you are going to master the skills that will make you a better speaker and presenter. How will you benefit from attending this course? Well, you're going to identify ways to gain rapport with your audience. Learn techniques to reduce nervousness and fear. Recognize how visual aids can impact and create attention or grab attention. Develop techniques to create a professional presence. Learn some different ways to prepare and organize information. We're also going to look at body language, handling sticky situations that may arise, overcoming those nerves. We're going to look at your speaking voice and how to alter your speaking voice so you project your voice to your audience. We're also going to look at adding punch to your presentation. So looking at how you're writing your presentation, if you're demonstrating flair or panache, and adding punch to your presentation. This presentation is half day, so we're starting at 9 o'clock and finishing at 1 o'clock. So for those of you who've been on my courses before, you know that I start at 9 and I finish at 1. So if you're a little bit late, the course is already underway. If you need further information about this course, please contact Jenny Wootley at the GFSB, either via email, via LinkedIn, or the website. There is no pre-course work for this particular course on the 19th and 20th of June. So don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to stand up in front of the rest of the class and present. We're literally going to be looking at those subject matters and answering and addressing any concerns that you may have and offering you tips and hints on how to overcome those particular concerns. So you don't need to bring a presentation with you that you are working on, only if you want to for some advice on the subject matters that we're going to be covering. So once again, the course that we're running is called Presentation Survival School. It is on the 19th and 20th of June at the GFSB headquarters, which is GFSB House, 122 Irish Town, starting at 9 o'clock and finishing at 1 o'clock. I look forward to seeing you there. If you have any questions whatsoever, please contact Jenny Wootley. If not, I look forward to seeing you on either the 19th or the 20th. Thanks very, very much, and I look forward to seeing you then. Goodbye.